and gentlemen, and welcome to the VEX IQ course. So before we start, my name is Mednini, I'm 15 years old, I'm member in first year club for 6 years, and I have 3 years of experience in robotics, and this year I'm coach in VEX IQ. So go back to our course. In this year, mentees are going to learn how to design their robots and making their own. And then they're going to build the robots following the design they have already made, and then they're going to program it following the rules that we have given them of the challenge. And the VEX IQ is really easy to use. It's based on plastic, so mentees doesn't have previous knowledge to build their own robot for the first time. And VEX IQ encourages STEM, also it encourages creativity, teamwork, and leadership. And in the VEX IQ we have many competitions, such as media competition and plastic competition. In this competition we have presentation, judges, commentators, and participants that they will also encourage their teammates for the competition. In the communication skills, we have our engineering notebook. In this notebook, the mentees will write everything down, what they have learned, the design of the robots, their calculations, and everything. Our goal in VEX IQ is to let mentees communicate through robotics, and they're able to make their own robots and design and program it. And the most important goal is to participate in the international competition of VEX IQ, and why not have the world champion, and let's shine Tunisia. Thank you.